You wanna drink like Bayesian and dance like Trini? Yeah. You wanna supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne? Yeah. Vacation is done, but I'm not finished. No.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean. If you're new here, why am I patting? I always do something weird. Every time, doesn't fail. Today we're getting into this 360 curly wig install with curly edges. And when I tell you this wig is chef's kiss, it's chef's kiss, okay? I'll show you guys how I installed everything, how I got the little ponytail. Sorry, I can't stop looking. I can't stop looking because she's cute. I've tried 360 wigs, I've tried updos, I've tried ponytails, but I think this is like my best work yet. I'm not gonna lie. Like really get into the tail line. Girl. Today's video is sponsored by Hermosa Hair. They sent me over this curly wig with curly edges. She is so cute. All the details will be on the screen and in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. If I have any coupon codes, they will be there for sure. Save the coins, honey. Save the coins, save the dolphins, save the world. Okay, so without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna give y'all all the tea. So when I unboxed the hair, I went ahead and bleached the knots on the lace in the front. I didn't bleach the knots on the lace in the back because I figured, well, nobody gonna be looking that hard, okay? Back up a little bit. And they honestly looked nice out of the package. I just had to be extra on the front because I like my lace to look immaculate, you know? And bleaching your knots really just takes it up a notch. So because I'm styling the hair in a ponytail today, I'm using my hot comb and I'm just pressing the hair going straight up into a ponytail all the way around the perimeter of the hair, leaving out those curly edges. This wig is a 20-inch curly wig with curly edges and it's an 180% density. And I feel like Hermosa might have did something with this one, but we're gonna see. We're gonna let the plot develop, okay? I'll leave a link to the hot comb that I'm using down below. It's an electric one that you kind of plug into the wall. If you use an old school stove hot comb, you are too deep in the trenches for me personally. I respect it, but I'm not there yet. I'm going in with a little bit of Sebastian Shaper Plus to help me mold everything into place. And so far she looks good, but because I didn't bleach those knots in the back, I'm going in with a little bit of my foundation powder on a small fluffy brush and buffing that into the lace so I can get it to look as natural as possible. This is the new Glueless Invisi-String Snug Fit 360 wig. It's a new cap construction that comes with combs on the inside and this new Invisi-String adjustable band in the back so that you can have seamless laid lace and a glueless install. I'm pulling the ends of the clear bands to adjust the fit, and then once I'm finished, I tuck it into the wig so that it's nice and seamless, and trimmed up my ear tabs. For today's glueless install, I'm using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold like gel situation. It's like a really thin gel. It dries quick, the hold is crazy, and it's black owned, so I'll link that down below as well, honey. I'm applying the lace in the front first because of course that's what you're going to be able to see first, so I want to make sure that is perfectly straight and out the way before we get into laying the back. I have a low hairline, so I tend to have to customize the lace on my wigs a bit. The sides of my hair are lower than the middle, so I'm trimming off a little bitty section in the center, but I'm keeping those curly edges on the side, but later when we do them swoops, y'all know what's coming. Once I have all of the lace laid down, I'm brushing all of the curly edges out of the way and hitting the lace with my blow dryer on a cool setting one more time before I apply my melting band. And while that's melting, we're going to get back into the styling. So I'm sectioning out the hair a little bit so that I can define the curls. We've already hot combed out the roots for the most part, so now I'm going to just wet the hair down a little bit to moisten it and kind of get the curls back popping. Once you brush through curly hair, it's over with. So of course you want to kind of give a little bit of moisture back, get those ringlets back going, get her back together. But don't stress too much because we're popping it in a little practice ponytail while we're working on the styling. It doesn't have to be perfect right now.
And you get what you want always from me. I can't say no when you say please. I can't say no. How you shot, you need up, baby with me, and I'm taking my time, just wait.
Because it's a curly ponytail, I'm not too worried about that back section being super flat, but I am gonna go in one more time, one more again with my hot comb and press out the roots in the front, because I feel like having those roots in the front super flat is what's gonna make this look really, really natural. That's the key to this style for me. Follow me, stay with me, okay? Straight roots, curly ends. Flat roots, curly ends. Say it with me. I didn't put any product on this hair, just water, because I did want that frizz to kind of help me out a little bit with the volume. I do not want a flat curly bun. It does not give. I do not want a jerry curl bun. I want a curly bun. So having a little bit of that frizz helps us out a bit.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne? Yeah. Vacation is done, but I'm not finished. No. Yeah. Champagne with breakfast while I'm yawning.
And now we're gonna slick everything up for real, okay? Don't worry too much about the back. Just make sure that you don't put the curly edges into the ponytail, because we're gonna style those later. I'm going in with the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray to lay down the edges along the sides and the back. I just sprayed it on the lace, and then I'm applying my melting band. While I use a little bit of mousse to kind of style the curly edges in the front, I'm going for that super soft baby hair look, so I'm not trying to get them super flat. I just want to kind of mold them into place. And I'm also using that mousse to kind of polish up and mold that ponytail a little bit more, because we didn't use that much spray on it. I want it to look soft, but I still need her to be laid. There's a real fine balance that you gotta find, babes. Now, the bun is not really a bun for real. I'm just grabbing random sections of hair and pinning them into place with little bobby pins. And you want to leave some little curls down, pin some stuff up, and just keep going until you like it. And if you don't like it, start over. As long as your ponytail base is in place, you can play with the ponytail until you have it to your liking. To finish up, I'm just going in and connecting those baby hairs in the front to the ponytail in the back, creating some cute little swoops. You don't want just baby hair, a line of lace, and then ponytail. You want it to connect and look really, really soft. Alright, this is the finished look. What do we think? She's gorgeous. The lace is laid. The knots are bleached to perfection. The curl pattern on the hair is gorgeous. The curl pattern on the edges is phenomenal, if I do say so myself, okay? And I really do like the drawstring situation. This is my first time trying a wig with that little drawstring in the back, I believe, and I honestly like it. I was worried that it was gonna be a little bit like bumpy, but I think because the hair is curly, it's a little forgiving. So I don't know, y'all, I really like it. Let me show you guys the back one more time. She's cute, huh? I don't know, I like her. It's definitely giving like chilly vibes. Don't forget that all the details about the hair are down below in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and pick her up. If you do try this wig, send me pictures on Instagram or tag me so I can see. I be wanting to be a little nosy, y'all. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, babes.
You wanna drink like Beijing and dance like Trini? Yeah. You wanna supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne? Yeah.